Hello and thank you for visiting Strobes.com. My name is Lewis and this is our brand new E68 Traffic Advisor. Features 8 individual modules, each with 6 LED diodes. Features our newest updated next generation LED diodes. The optics are a combination spot and flood optic. So you get a combination of spot and flood all in the same optic. You don't have to choose between one or the other. Out of the 6 diodes, the 2 outside diodes are flood optics, the 2 center are spot optics. And when you see the punch this light has, you're going to be impressed. Field replaceable modules, if you need to add reds to the end or you want to change the light up, 2 screws, change the module out. We have the modules for sale on our website. We can custom build you any color you may need. Just contact us and we'll build you the color combination if you don't see it on the website. You can mount along the whole back of the light. Comes with 6 mounting brackets. So you can mount them in the whole full width of the light wherever they fit best on your vehicle. Comes with a 10-foot cord, plugs into the controller, and we have an optional 20-foot extension cord that simply plugs in. Once you plug it in, power and ground, we give you an inline fuse right on the controller is all you need to run the light. So I'm going to put the power on now. 3 buttons, power on and off, your flash pattern selection button. So I have it in flash mode. I can choose the flash pattern and I can see the pattern right on the LED display. If I take the button on the end here, I can go to left arrow or your right, depending on which way I have the bar here. I can go the opposite direction, and again, I can choose the flash pattern. I can see the flash pattern. This is a slower one with a trail. I can see it right on my display, so you'll know right away if the light's functioning properly. We also have high-low output. I'm going to go to a split flash here. So that's high output. You can dim the output for nighttime use. So if you want it a little dimmer at night, you can dim the output. You can go to warning mode, and again, you can select the flash pattern in your warning mode. So this is our brand new E68 LED Traffic Advisor. Our older Traffic Advisor used a little bigger module. It was the same width, but it was a little taller. So this is a little bit slimmer design. So save the room in your rear window. Exterior, you can mount this exterior, it's 100% waterproof. 5-year warranty. If you have an issue with this light or the controller in 5 years, send it back to us. We'll test it. If we find anything defective, we'll replace it. So there you have it. Any questions at all, give us a call here at Strobes.com. My name is Lewis and be safe.